Okay friends, welcome you all in the next simulation practical of induction motor. This is called stator resistance starter. Okay, we have connected resistances in series with the stator winding. Okay, in series with the stator winding. So what is the overview? First, see, in this method external resistances are connected in series with each phase of stator winding during starting. Okay, we will see the simulation in the next step. Okay, these are the resistances. These are the resistances will get connected in series with these motor terminals, motor windings. Okay, so what it tells, this causes voltage drop across the resistance, so that voltage available across motor terminal is reduced, and hence the starting current, the starting resistances are gradually cut out in steps from the stator circuit as the motor picks up speed. When the motor attains rated speed, the resistance is set to zero value and full line voltage is applied to the motor. Okay, what we are doing here? So we go to the simulation. This is the simulation. And these are the resistances which we have to connect with each phase of these windings. Okay, so let's start connecting the circuit. Okay, first of all, this ammeter should be connected. Put in this phase L11, it gets connected, ammeter gets connected. Okay, ammeter gets connected. Then this is the tachometer. So, and this is the shaft of motor. We have to align the tachometer with the shaft. So this is connected, this is aligned. Okay, tachometer is aligned with the shaft. Now connect, select red. Now connect first into I1, then connect this O1 to U1. So all the resistances are connected in series. Okay, so first this is the resistance box. So these are connected in series. All the resistances, like we have connected the resistances in R series, R phase. Okay, so this is connected in series. Then again choose the green button or yellow button. It appears yellow actually, na? So connect from L21 to I2, then O2, connect O2 to V1, O2 to V1. So this is second phase is done. The resistance, stator resistance or the resistance is connected in series with the stator winding. Then third, connect blue color, then L31, connect L31 to I3, and then O3 to W1, the third phase. So all the three phase gets connected with the series resistances. Okay, and this is the resistance box which we have to move. We have to reduce the value of resistances, so, or increase the value of resistances. So we have to see the changes in the ammeter reading. Okay, now U2, V2 and W2, this connect, choose black and connect this ammeter and connect V2, then short V2 and W2 like this, and connect this voltmeter. This voltmeter remains disconnected, so choose red button, connect first point from O1 to first point of voltmeter, and then second choose yellow. This point is connected to other point of voltmeter. Okay, so voltmeter gets connected in parallel. Now check, we can check the connection whether it is rightly connected. Yes, right connection, star connected. Okay, so we have got the right connection. It is the right connection. So now what we have to do, click on the supply, main supply, turn on to 1, switch on the main supply, start, then another circuit breaker, switch on this, turn this right, also this is right, and then increase some voltage, then decrease the value of resistance. Then you will see here the change in current. Okay, we are decreasing the value of resistance and take the reading of current at each instant. Okay, each instant take the value of current. Current is increasing, we have decreased the value of resistance, we are decreasing. Okay, from right to left the resistance is decreasing and current is increasing. See here, current is increasing. Again decrease the value of resistance, current is increasing. Decrease the value of resistance, current is increasing. Okay, and this is the optimum limit. So again increase the value of resistance, current decreases. Increase the value of resistance, then current decreases. Okay, current is decreasing like this. Okay, and this is the maximum point and current becomes very low. Okay, so this is called stator resistance starter, starting of induction motor by using stator resistance starter. So these are the 3 resistances connected in series in each phase of the stator winding of induction motor. Okay, and you can see the waveform CH1 current, the increase of current from here. You can see the waveform if you increase or decrease. So you can see the current waveform, current speed and torque. Okay, whenever you changes the value of resistance, then current changes, instantaneous change you can see here. Okay, you can see the changes in current. Okay, whenever you changes the value of resistance, the current waveform changes. And torque also, you can see the torque. Whenever you changes the value of resistances, there changes torque. Okay, like this. And speed also you can see by changing this. Also you can see. Okay, so guys, that's it for, okay, so now, okay, bye.